This is for 8th class. Today we will start with the second chapter, verbs expressing the tenses. First we have the present tense. So in present tense we have four kinds of tenses: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So today we will start with the present, simple present only, and I have the forms of simple present here. As you can see the examples of affirmative and negative sentences: I, we, you, they all are used in affirmative sentences, but in negatives we will you put them do not, don't, never, like this. And in affirmative we will just make sure the simple sentences: I and we draw, I and we draw. In interrogative sentences we will make the questions. And here we have the formation of the affirmative and positive sentences of simple present. Here we have negative form with the examples also, and here we have positive interrogative sentences. So we earlier we did discuss about the all the uses and formation of present tense, simple present tense. So today I will start with the book exercise only. You just concentrate on the book exercise, how we will complete this book exercise. And some questions are here. Here we have first question: here is the daily time schedule of मिस्टर सिंह. इसमें क्या है, मिस्टर सिंह का आपको डेली का वो दे रखा है, डेली टाइम का शेड्यूल. इसमें क्या करेंगे आप, इसमें इन वर्ड्स को, कुछ वर्ड्स इसमें ऐसे हैं जो हमको सिंपल प्रेजेंट में चेंज करने हैं. एंड आई हैव डन दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो सी हेयर ऑन इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में क्या है, 6 AM going for a morning walk. This is done for you. At 6 AM Mr. Singh goes for a morning walk. So like this you have to, what you will do in next sentence. 7 returning home and reading newspaper. इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, at 7 AM he returns home and reads newspaper. Everybody knows in simple present S or ES का we will use S and ES. So here we have the question. I will just discuss the question, then I will tell you the answers, all the answers. Next is 7:30, helping his wife with the household chores. At 8:15 PM, taking a bath and having breakfast. 9, leaving for office. 9:30, reaching office. 6:30, returning home and taking rest. 8, taking dinner. 8:30, spending quality time with family. 10, reading a book. 11, sleeping. So like this I have done this exercise for you. Here we have the answers. You can see here all the answers are here. At 7:30, helps his wife with the household chores. At 8:15, takes a bath. इसमें taking था, just remember that इसमें taking था book exercise में, and I will give you takes a bath and have breakfast. At 9, leaves for office. 9:30, reaches office. Returns home and takes rest. Takes dinner, spends quality time with family, reads a book and then sleeps. तो इसमें आपको S और ES का ही यूज़ करना है, ज़्यादा कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं करना. Now next question we have, match the following questions. Match the following to complete 8 proverbs. इसमें क्या करना है, आपको मैच करना है कि कौन से सेंटेंस के साथ क्या हो रहा है. So here we have absence. Absence का मतलब होता है किसी की वहाँ पे एब्सेंट मतलब क्या होता है कि जो नहीं आता. तो एब्सेंट के साथ वी हैव एब्सेंस इज़ द मदर ऑफ ऑल इन्वेंशंस, यानी कि किसी की कमी ही हमारी मम्मा हर चीज़ की इन्वेंशंस है. व्हेन इन रोम, डू एज रोमन्स डू. रोम में क्या होता है, जो रोमन्स करते हैं. एवरी मैन इज़ द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ हिज ओन फॉर्च्यून. Time and tide waits for none. Actions spoil the both. Has it speak louder than words. Nesty makes the heart grow fonder. Too many cooks makes taste. So like this, these two questions related to the same topic, simple present tense. So you have only two questions. Do these questions and send your homework to your class in charges.